Hi everyone, I'm Sumababu. You get to see anything and everything creative in my channel. So welcome back to Palette Life. Today we will paint a realistic eye. It is very important to understand the anatomy of human eye before starting this painting. At the same time, don't force yourself paint the invisible part of eye in the reference. Try to paint what you see. These are some of my painting on the same topic. We have a canvas measuring 9 by 8 inches with us. We will start with sketching the eye. We will be using acrylic colors for this. One thing you should remember here is we have to use different colors to make a perfect skin tone. Most of the places I used filbert brush for painting, but we need a smaller brush to add some of the details. Mix colors depending on your reference picture. At these early stages of painting, we are just establishing some of the initial colors. As we go, we should consider adding dark and light tones. We can adjust the value and the hue by changing the concentration of the specific colors used. We will use a darker value underneath the upper eyelid. This will create an impression that the eyelid is three-dimensional. For the eyebrow, we need not to worry about the detail in the beginning. Just concentrate on the value change using bold brush stroke. Gradually give highlights and depth using various tonal variations. And for the eyelashes, give proper care of the direction which they follow. Thickness and the length of each hair should be considered. Eyes are very important in a portrait painting, so have sufficient practice before taking up a portraiture. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon with yet another interesting topic like this. Until then, take proper precaution to fight against this pandemic, maintain good health and be happy.